This is a review of the Homelite 17-inch hedge trimmer that I would highly recommend. This hedge trimmer is by far my most favorite lawnmower accessories to have. You can see that the quality is really amazing. I love how the red looks like, and pretty much the blades that comes with it, they are pretty sharp, and it is, what I love about it is that it is a small compact size. It's pretty lightweight and it's very easy to use, easy to assemble. You can see that it is corded, it's attached to a cord, and pretty much it really is, the installation to pretty much install it was fairly easy. I love how, like I mentioned, it's very sharp and everything, but I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys that how easy it is to pretty much cut your shrubs on your tree, and pretty much like sticks or pretty much anything like that. It's really easy to cut, and it makes your job more easier if you have to cut shrubs and pretty much anything that's on your tree. So without going any further, I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys how easy it is to use and how quick it makes your job easier when it comes to trimming your trees or shrubs down. So we have it right here to demonstrate to you guys, to show you how powerful it is to cut your tree shrubs down. So without going any further, let's cut it down and show you guys how this small compact machine does and how powerful it is. So you can see I'm in another area where I'm going to be trimming the tree shrubs down, so let's do it then. So as you guys saw, the Homelite 17-inch hedge trimmer, it really is powerful, and it pretty much cuts your tree shrubs very quickly and fast, and pretty much it saves your time when you have to do something else to cut it. I would highly recommend the Homelite hedge trimmer because it is really powerful. The power level is really powerful, and pretty much it cuts your tree shrubs down very quick and easy. I would highly recommend this into your lawnmower accessories because of how small compact size is it, and also how durable it is when it comes to cutting your tree shrubs down. This is probably one of the best hedging trims to get.